Hi guys, how are you doing? Are you falling down at following up? Did you know that according to a study, 80% of sales require an average of 5 follow-ups before you get to close the deal? Did you also know that 44% of sales reps, sales professionals, stop after only 1 follow-up? And did you know that 94% of those people, those sales professionals, stop at 4 follow-ups? That is an awful lot of money left on the table. That means only 6% go all the way. It's a bit depressing. I get it, you don't want to look salesy, you don't want to look pushy, and it's because, well, the customers are just not interested, right? That's not why they don't buy, or that's why they're not doing it first time for you. It's because they're not interested. Wrong. The number one reason that you don't get those sales straight away is because people are busy. You're busy, I'm busy, we're all busy, we know that. We need those nudges, we need those follow-ups, we need those reminders, those helpful reminders. Oh, I forgot I need to do that. Yeah, you've just reminded me, thank you very much. Now, don't go crazy. Don't be following up and going, oh, I'm going to call you. What time later shall I call you? Oh, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the next day. That is definitely going to get you taken off their Christmas list. They will not be buying from you. That's annoying. However, there are ways to follow up. Space out the gaps when you talk to them. Be mindful. I can help you with that if you need any help with that. My first CV when I was 16 on marble paper, it was pretty sweet. I had the title on it and it said, some people say I'm like a dog with a bone, but I prefer to call it tenacious. I'd still use that now, I think that's pretty sweet. But tenacity is what is needed nowadays, right now, tenacity. Don't give up the follow-up. Don't be like those 94% who are losing out on those sales. Be like the 6%. Have a great day. If you need any more help about how to properly follow up, please ask Creative in Time.